All right, couple quick tips on when you are doing your laundry, because there's a lot of good ways to use oils in the laundry room. So in your fabric softener bin, you're going to put a couple glugs of vinegar and 5 drops of lemon essential oil. 3, 4, 5. Instead of using fabric softener, and then you would put your Thieves laundry detergent in there. And instead of using dryer sheets, get wool dryer balls like this, and you can put whatever scent you want on them. I really like purification scent on mine, so just a couple drops, roll it over. Oh dear. You know what I mean. So, but try to do this one-handed. So putting purification or whatever. The good thing is about using the dryer balls is you can put whatever scent you want on that, whatever you want your laundry to smell like. And over time, you can also switch it up as well. So I put those in my dryer. And then the last thing about the laundry room is I have a top loader, and sometimes we always leave the door open to dry, but sometimes it does start to smell over time. So in here is purification and water, and then I just give it a little squirt all the way around, and then that totally eliminates the odor.